Success isn't just about working harder. It's about letting go of the things silently holding you back. In this powerful, heartfelt talk, the wise man shares timeless lessons on the three crucial habits you must stop today if you truly want to succeed. His stories and insights will inspire you to pause, reflect, and step boldly into your potential. Subscribe for more wisdom and life-changing lessons every week. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new journey inward. Share your thoughts in the comments. What are you ready to let go of? Success. It's a word we chase, a dream we paint in the colors of hope. But I have learned, after many seasons of triumphs and failures, that success is not always about what you do. Sometimes it's about what you stop doing. If you truly wish to step into the life waiting for you, there are three things you must let go of. Not tomorrow, not someday, today. Let me tell you a story. Years ago, I met a young man filled with dreams. His heart was on fire, but his mind was heavy. He worked hard, yes, but he was like a traveler carrying unnecessary stones in his bag, wondering why he grew tired so fast. It wasn't his effort that failed him. It was the weight he refused to put down. And so, the first thing you must stop is seeking approval from others. We are taught early to chase gold stars, applause, admiration. But the truth is, success isn't found in the clapping of hands around you. It is found in the quiet satisfaction within you. When you live for approval, you build your house on sand. Every storm of opinion threatens to wash it away. I remember the day I decided to stop asking, "Do they like me?" and started asking, "Am I proud of the man I'm becoming?" That was the day my real journey began. You see, the right people will find you when you are true to yourself. The wrong people? They'll drift away, and that is not a loss, it's a blessing. Now, the second thing you must stop is waiting for the perfect moment. How many dreams have died waiting for someday? Someday when the timing is right. Someday when you're more ready, more skilled, more sure. There is a proverb that says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. I once delayed writing my first book for 5 long years. I kept telling myself, not yet, I need to be better. But life, my friends, does not reward hesitation. It rewards courage. Start where you are, with what you have, and who you are. The great river does not wait for every pebble to be in place before it flows. And neither should you. Your dream will never be perfectly ready, and that's the beauty of it. It's meant to grow with you. If you wait for everything to be perfect, you will be waiting forever. And finally, the third thing you must stop, perhaps the hardest of all, is clinging to past failures. Many of us carry our old mistakes like scars we keep reopening. We tell ourselves, I failed once, I'll fail again. But listen to me carefully. Your past is a lesson, not a life sentence. There was a time in my life when I lost everything I had built. Business, relationships, even my own belief in myself. For a while, I lived like a man trapped in yesterday. But one night, standing alone under the stars, I realized the sky does not mourn yesterday's sunset. It simply rises again. You are allowed to begin again. Every morning is proof. Every breath you take is an invitation. Forgive yourself. Learn from the fall, but do not carry the fall with you. Your hands must be free to catch the blessings coming your way. You cannot receive what is ahead if you are holding on to what is behind. So, my dear friend, if you wish to walk the path of success, a success that fills not just your pockets but your soul, stop seeking approval. Stop waiting for perfection. Stop clinging to your past failures. Success is not a race against others. It is a journey inward to the place where your true self resides, waiting, patient, hopeful. If today you decide to let go of these weights, you will find that you move faster, lighter, freer. You will find that success, the kind that matters, is not somewhere out there. It has been within you all along. The greatest adventure is not conquering the world. It is conquering yourself.